Here I want to continue where we left off in the last movie and continue to talk about working with the metadata panel. In particular, I want to talk about a few common things that we do with metadata. One of them is add ratings to our photographs. We also work with our copyright, and then we create presets. Alright, well let's go to the metadata panel. And in the metadata panel, I'm going to change the view to minimal. This will just give me this really condensed view of the metadata that's been added to this photograph. Well, in this case, you notice there's a rating field. I can change the star rating of this file by simply pressing a number on the keyboard. Here I'll press 4. Now you notice that the rating shows up as 4 in the metadata panel. And this can be a great way to communicate with clients. In this case, if I want to change it, we'll simply click on one of the star ratings and then we can change it that way. Alright, well what about the copyright? Well, let's say that what I want to do is I want to change the copyright to include a year. So in this case, I'll click into the copyright field. I'll go ahead and type out 2010 space Chris Orwig. Well, now that I have that field, what I want to do is turn this into a preset so that I can use it with some other photographs. In order to create a preset, click on the Preset pull-down menu, then choose Edit Presets. This will open up your Edit Metadata Presets dialog. One of the things that's great about this is that the information like the star rating or the caption, that's grayed out. By default, that isn't being included. If I want to include that in the preset, I would click on that checkbox there. As you scroll through these different options, you'll notice that you have a wide range of options in regards to the type of information that you can use when building or creating presets. Well, here in my case, the only thing I want is this copyright information. So I'm going to go ahead and type out 2010 Chris Orwig and copyrighted. Now that I've created this little preset, I want to save this out. To do that, we'll go to our Preset pull-down menu, and I'll choose Save these current settings, whatever I've just done, as a new preset. Now I want to name this one, so I'll go ahead and name this one Copyright 2010 Chris Orwig. Next, I'll click on Create. Now once I've done that, I simply need to click Done in order to exit out of this dialog. Now what's great about this is I can then access this preset from this pull-down menu. And here you can see it's appending that to this particular file. Well, currently not much happened because I already had the copyright that way. Well, if I want to apply this to other files, I can click on an image, say for example this one, and then from my preset pull-down menu, select 2010 in order to update or change the copyright information. Now keep in mind, although I'm showing you how to do this with copyright information, you can of course use this technique with many different types of metadata information.